Hello and welcome back to Mr. Seal. Today we're gonna make the vase. So let's begin. First click on the front and after that click on sketch. Now we have created this plane. Changing the view. And now let's draw our outline. First is a base and second is a height. Now we can set our dimensions using this dimension tool. This will be 1.5 inches, while this line will be 10. Now what we need to do is to use the Spline tool to draw our outline with the vase shape. Again, line tool, connecting those points, setting this line tool to horizontal. Click escape. And now you can completely freely change the points until you get the shape that you like. After some playing around, I get this beautiful shape. So let's click OK. Show the sketch and click on this Revolve tool. Now selecting the sketch that we're going to revolve and this axis. Great. Click OK. Now we have our vase outer shape. Now, what we're gonna do next, we're gonna make a pattern. Let's select this plane and click on sketch. Now I will use the Spline tool to add a curve to this side. And I will reflect this line later to the side. 1.5 inches because our base was 1.5 inches. Now let's make those vector lines tangent to our main line. And now we can move this without distorting the beginning and the end point. This looks good. So now let's click on the mirror, select the mirror plane, mirror line, done. Click OK. Select the sketch, and now we will not use the add solid, we will use the add scene. Basically what it does, it creates a line, but it does create the arrow if we select two at the same time, in this case. So unselect one, and let's extrude it by 5 inches. Here we go, but this will be a new. Click OK. Let's show the sketch one more time. Click extrude. Again, scene. Now let's select this line. 5 inches. Great. Now let's take a look at this. As you can see, it's extruded, but it's extruded to the outside. I want to switch that. Here, as well as here. Yep, now it's all good. Now we will change the thickness to 0.1 inch. And this one will also get changed to 0.1. Great. As you see, there is no gap. And now we will revolve this around using the circular pattern tool. Just in case if you don't see it, there is a drop-down menu with all of them. Now we will change it from part pattern to feature pattern, and we will select those two extrudes. For the axis, I will use this point tool, and I will put it exactly at an origin, if you look from the top. Great. Now just let's add the amount of revolutions, 30. And we're getting the cool pattern. Right now it might not seem this way, but trust the process. Click OK. And now we will need to remove some of this so it follows the shape of the base. And we will do that by figuring out on what plane we have this sketch. So it's on this plane. You will click on sketch. and you will use this offset tool. You will catch this line and you will offset it to the outside. Click enter, 0.3 inches. Now instead of clicking OK, because we want to remove it, we need to create this imaginary remove space. So here it is. Now it will, when we will revolve it, it will remove all of it, all of the materials that falls within this area. Now we click OK, sketch 3, revolve. For revolve axis, again, we're going to use the central point. Remove. And merge with all. Great. Okay. And now what we can do on this side, we can click sketch. And we can sketch a giant circle. And now let's click extrude. Remove. 0.01. Merge with all. And it will be symmetric. Great. Now as you can see, everything is flat. We can click here, sketch, pick a circle, pick a center, drag it out, click OK, extrude it, add 0.75 and merge with all. Here we go, click OK. Now, since we can see on the bottom, there is a lot of complex geometry that is sticking out, so let's get rid of it. Click here, sketch, from the bottom. Now let's take a giant circle. Click OK. Sketch, extrude, remove. Basically now it will remove everything on the other side. Great. As you can see now our geometry had greatly simplified. And what we will do, we will revolve the shape inside. Sketch. Here's our line, so we will offset it by 0.2.
It's big. Yes. You go.
And now we will draw out the shape.
Yes.
Here we go. Vertical. Horizontal. Great. Now we will click OK and revolve it. Remove. Revolve axis will be this one. Merge with all. Here we go, click OK. Now the only thing that's left is to round those edges. And we're done. Thank you and have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe.